Community Connectors programs really have several goals. One is really career development and a job focus. The other is to give kids and teach kids how to make good decisions. We want to sort of model the importance of good character development, persistence, honesty, the soft skills that businesses are asking for, but most importantly, to give kids a sense of hope and to have them see possibilities for their lives. Many of our programs, people talk about how they started in the lower rung of the organization and how through perseverance, effort, hard work, they've climbed the corporate ladder to be successful. And I think that's an important lesson for students to understand.
The corporate partners in the mentoring program take turns with providing a workplace mentoring session. Last year we had William White, former Ohio State football player, NFL football player, and an engineer, and now is the head of a group that promotes STEM education. The program this year is we will start out with Charles Patton, who is our newly named Executive Vice President of External Affairs, talk to the students, and he's going to talk to them about his background and share some experiences and probably give them some advice.
The opportunity for you to interact together and to learn from each other, and then also the opportunity to give, I just think is incredible.
So we're very involved with the My Brother's Keeper program, both from Corna Kokosing and myself personally. Corna got involved because of how important our work in the community is. Each kid has a unique goal. Us in the construction world, there's such a large spectrum of what they can do, from being a design engineer to be actually in the field putting work in place or being a project manager on jobs. We want to show them all those different opportunities and give them the best vision of what the construction industry, and give them an opportunity to choose that field.
Inherent in any career path are a variety of different jobs. I think what's most important is to explain to children, find your passion. Find something that you think will make a positive difference in your life, in the life of others. And if you have that passion, you'll love coming to work every day in spite of all the trials and tribulations that sometimes jobs bring.